As the gubernatorial election don near for Edo State, political parties don dey active for their various activities wey go help their candidates become governor and deputy governor of Edo State. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) no dey left out for these activities as dem do one roadshow for the center of Benin City. Our Tori person Oluwatintamisi Julius Waitanda for the roadshow report say Egor, Oredo and Ikpoba-Okha local government areas of the state, groups and wards wey be PDP supporters of the governorship and deputy governorship candidates Asue and Ogie Esquire come out in solidarity to support the movement. The troops start the movement from inside King Square for Ring Road and rally round them. They sing, dance and jolly as them they promote their candidates. The PDP governorship candidate Asue and the running mate Ogie Esquire also join body for the movement. Asue Konya in supporters say make them day at ease and come also beg them to get their PVC ready for the election. For the roadshow, Egor local government chairman Honorable Egor and other supporters for their talk with our Tori person come chook mouth on how them see the matter.
We dey here for rally. I be not be so. Yes. We don't talk am. Now I swear you go dalo all the way. Nothing go stop am. People they talk about cut. We know they hear that one because he's a winner and he will always be a winner. Yes. As our governor Godwin they comot, he go they hand over to another better person. If not, he go hard. Yes, so now the best person now he be Asue, he go dalo.
We in Edo State with all results say we don't want to go back to those old days. Upper Seki don lay strong foundation for somebody like Asue Igodalo of PDP to build upon. We know as Asue be, we know what he don do. We dey hear from her every day. No people they hear and they talk all the time. So we want to make it come do the talk. We must remain on the path of prosperity, not going back.
We dey follow those two people because we know say they be the real people, the real candidate wey go make Edo better. Now make us dey support Ogie and Asue for this movement because if not be them, e go get as the Edo go be. So we love Asue. The two combination they are good to go together.
So I've been seeing the good work the PDP have been doing with the upper youth movement. We decided to show our support for the governor. PDP! Great upper youth! Great upper youth!
We are here in the respect of our governor and the incoming deputy governor, Ogie. We are fully in support of our leader, Ogie, and the governor. We are here in mass to support them. Come 21 September, we are winning this election by the grace of God.
We are here for our governor and Ogie. To support them. We know they're going to make Edo State better more. So we are here. Upper is fully support of them. So Upper youth, we will do more of this to make sure on that day of the election, we will come out massively to vote for them, and the vote will be counted in our presence.
The road show come also carry waka enter Airport Road and come land for the party secretariat where Asue Igodalo and other PDP chieftain come yarn Tori people say
we are okay. God is in control. Everything is good. Edo forward. No shaking.
You don't see the message where we don't send today. Say Asue Igodalo and Ogie. Now men wey get capacity, character, competence. Now them, now qualify. Amongst the retinue of men wey want be governor, now they qualify to succeed Obaseki this year. And if you check the number of people wey don't come out today, across only 3 local government areas for Edo, 15 never join. Edo North never join. Edo Central never join. Only 3 local government areas for Benin, Egor, Oredo, and Ikpoba-Okha. Now they here. So you see, I'm saying the number of persons will come out. You can add them to 15 will go come out in a few weeks from now. You don't know what that one will be. So that very strong message. Say, anybody when want to be governor for Edo must go through the fire. The person must be ready to go through the wheels of election. Not backdoor to Osadebe. Obaseki not use backdoor enter Osadebe. He not use corner enter Osadebe. Like front door now he follow. So those ones when want follow side gates. Those ones when want follow back door. Those ones when want use night stay enter government house. Foul.
Today is just like people will say, this is testing the microphone. We had to let the people of Edo State know that we are ready for the campaigns. What you are seeing here today is just Ikpoba-Okha, Oredo and Egor. And we also moderated and limited those people who are to come. We own this land. Nobody can govern this land by proxy. You can't govern it remotely. Edo people must accept you to govern them in Edo State. You cannot come to the back door. You know, a few days ago they were circulating some rumor that PDP have no candidate. And we use it to let people know that our candidate, they gidigba. Nothing they shake us. And by the grace of God, Edo people want to progress. Edo people want prosperity. Edo people want to see better life. For that reason, all of them don't agree saying Asue Godalo. By the grace of God, we don't start our campaign. We don't talk to anybody. We continue to show Asue to make people see him. Because the man will be him and Ogie. That team, now the team will say, go carry Edo State, pass through Obaseki, don't carry Edo State so that at the end of the day, all the states were for Nigeria, they will call it come here, call it copy. Now why we just say today, make people say Asue say nothing, all those keke bullshit that they talk say now so what thing, that's not people don't get candidate. They are not rich, they are not talking. Now Edo people, now they decide to be Edo governor. And at the Edo governor, with Edo for one, 9 days to show. Any of those issues that I call it scratch on the back, you all recall that I contested the senatorial elections. They tried to use those kind of distractions, and the Supreme Court gave judgment, and they were still doing what they were doing. But now, having learned from that lesson, we can no longer be distracted. We stay focused, we keep our eyes on the election, we continue to reach out to our people, and the people will come out massively and vote. Nobody will turn the votes of the people against anybody. You are seeing people who are not campaigning, they are telling you federal mind, federal mind. Tinubu is a Democrat. Tinubu is a product of the struggle for democracy. Tinubu was a member of NADECO. Tinubu was the only governor in the southwest when everybody crossed from AD to PDP, he stood where he was because he believed that the principles of democracy will work in Nigeria. And it has worked and it has made him president. Tinubu will never truncate the will of the people. And the will of Edo people is what is going to determine who is the next governor of Edo State. Let everybody go and sell their candidate to Edo State, to Edo people. For now, we know and we are rest assured that our candidate is the best product for Edo people, and Edo people have accepted our candidate. What you have just seen today is just small.
You see the support for Asue, Ighodalo and Mr. Ogie is overwhelmed. You see the way the turnout of people. These people is more than 40,000 people, and all these people they work tirelessly for Asue, Ighodalo and Mr. Ogie. Comes that September, that one way, the beating is going to be like 85%. Like what you always talk. Now only two parties, now in the Edo State, PDP and others now one party. PDP now one. So we'll give them 15%, all of them will be one party. PDP will collect 85%.
If you look at now, you see I say I cross my leg. You know the reason I cross my leg? I know say Asue, Ighodalo and Ogie, they are good to go. You understand? So that is the reason I cross my leg say, you know say when you fear, and then you fear, you stand like this. This one I cross my leg say, this one I stand say no level. You understand? Now see, I don't dread any political party apart from PDP. A lot of PDP are the dread because you know why? Any state where they conquer. So we come so we can take the leadership again because like we see there I want to take her again. So if another person get down, say they'll fit take them. May they go and go to buy beans because beans not the quit down. May they all go and may they go to buy beans because we are ready for them for this one. As when you go down Ogie, it's a movement.
PDP is the way in Edo State. It's unchangeable, it's uncontestable. Asue and Barrister Ogie, a man who has done marvelously well for Edo, we will not afford to lose them because we know that these are born creativities people that is going to make Edo proud. On behalf of all the returned migrants in Edo State, known as the go-getters, as I remain the national president worldwide, we hereby say we endorse Asue Ighodalo and Ogie for this governorship, and we are good to go at any given time. Corre, consort, no retreat, no surrender.
The party don't assure say them ready gidigba to support their candidates to win and take over the governance of the state. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ogie, TMC TV News.